What up mga brother? This is our day 137. Let's go!
Lap 1. Lap pace 6 minutes 31 seconds. Total 1 kilometer. Heart rate 153 beats per minute. Lap 3. Lap pace 6 minutes 33 seconds. Total 3 kilometers. 19 minutes 37 seconds. Heart rate 164 beats per minute.
Cool down walk muna tayo mga brother. Hanggang 3K lang kaya. Nang walang hintuan sa 8 speed.
Lap 4. Lap pace 7 minutes 39 seconds. Total 4 kilometers. 27 minutes 17 seconds. Heart rate 165 beats per minute.
Cool down tayo. 4.40 kilometers.
Lap 5. Lap pace 7 minutes 30 seconds. Total 5 kilometers. 34 minutes 47 seconds. Heart rate 168 beats per minute.
Okay. 5K daan. Sulit na naman yung isang araw natin mga brother. Ingat palagi. And run safe everyone. Thank you. GG's. Bye-bye.